is coming here to Inshallah Friday tomorrow.
Ayan po. Yun po ang area rito.
बैठो बाबू आसान पूरा पानी बैठो तो सामान भी है कमिंग
You, I'm so laughing to you, huh? See? I'm thinking rainy coming because it's water coming. He said water coming. So I'm thinking, oh, rainy coming. So just joking for our my colleagues. Yeah, because they are saying the water is coming. So I'm looking for the skies. The sky is good. See, blue and dark. Where are you going?
washroom.
Washroom. It's far away. Okay. This is look the. Yan po ang so makita po niyan yan.